So hey everyone, you can just check out our accuracy. Welcome to our channel. To join our channel, so you can just click on the link in description or just message us on @BeMary support on Telegram. So let's begin with our video today. Here you can just check out our session started right here, and our first signal was for your JPY 5 minutes up. The flag mode, you can set your timer to the flag mode, and your candle timer also to the 5 minutes. So here you can just check out, this was a very good one. And this, there was a very good support level right here. The candles were rejecting again and again from this zone, and plus the moving average was near our trade, and on the moving average we took a trade for the upside, and the moving average plus support was there. So this was a very good confirmation, and we won this trade with an amazing entry. Then the session was started on the VIP group. This was our first signal for the VIP group. Here USD 5 minutes put. Again a very good win. And this you can just see how clearly marked the resistance level. And as soon as the price reached the resistance level again, we took an entry for the downside with a very good entry at the resistance level, and we won it. Then the next signal was for odd USD 5 minutes put. Here you can just check out, this was also a very good win. Same thing was here, the moving average was indicating to the downside, plus a good downtrend was going on, plus the price hit the resistance level right here, and we took an entry exactly at the moving average and the resistance level, and we won this trade with an amazing entry. You can just check out. Then the next signal was for GBP CHF call side. Here a very good win again. In this, the price was near the support level when we took this trade, because you can just check out, the price was not going down from the support level, it was reaching the support again and again. This means our support was very good, and as soon as the price reached the support level again, we took a trade at the support level for the upside, plus the moving average was also indicating for the upside, and a good uptrend was going on. You can just see the moving average, the market was moving above the moving average. So this was a confirmation, and we took this trade and we won it. Then the next signal was for CHF 5 minutes put. Again a very good bid. In this you can just check out, there was a very good resistance level, plus the moving average was also indicating to the downside, and as the price was near the moving average, we took a down trade right here and we won it with an amazing entry at the resistance level. So find all marginal wins, a very good session for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.